So, can you tell me please your story from the start? Why did you left your country? How many years ago? And how did you came to Greece? Tell me now.
Non, moi ça fait 1 année et 4 mois que je suis en Grèce.
Okay, okay. This man is 1 year and 4 months here in Greece. How did you came to Greece from Africa? How did you came? Tell.
Je suis du Congo Brazzaville. D'origine du Congo Brazzaville.
How did you came? Which way you came?
Ça fait déjà, je ne connais pas parler tellement l'anglais. They speak English, you know.
French.
Yes.
You speak French, no problem.
No, this you?
Yes, you speak
French.
Listen, no. You speak here French. Feel free, speak, tell, don't stop. Okay? I asked you how you came from Africa to here. Which way and why? Do you understand? You took the plane?
Bon, moi, ça me fait déjà, c'est que je viens de dire, je reviens de Congo. Du Congo, je suis en Grèce, ça fait 1 année et 4 mois. Donc là, je suis à Thessalonique. Je suis à Thessalonique.
Let's speak English. It's not working very good. You came by plane?
Yes.
By plane? Airplane?
No, this, yes.
By plane?
Yeah.
From Africa to here?
Turkey, yes.
To Turkey and from Turkey to here?
Yes.
And Turkey here, fly. Okay.
Water.
Yes. Illegal way. On a boat.
Yes.
Boat. Okay. Is government supporting you here? Government, Greece, supporting you? They give you money?
No money. This no money.
They don't give you money.
They give me money. This me like hospital.
In hospital they treat you for free?
Yes. This one.
Короче, сегодня я встретил человека из Конго, из Африки, Конго-Браззавиль, потому что там 2 республики Конго. Правительство Греции не дает ему деньги, но он ходит в госпиталь и получает 8 часов еду. Я даже сегодня сам попытаюсь получить. So, you got the treatment for free or you pay money?
No money.
No money. They give you medical treatment? Medical? Free?
Yes.
That's okay. You have a refugee card?
Yes.
Refugee license? Refugee card?
No. This
No. Okay.
This operation, this.
So it's here, yes?
Yes.
It's here.
Yes.
У него была операция на коленях. They made you surgery
Yeah.
for free.
Free.
For free, here in Greece.
English, yeah.
They made you, yeah?
Yeah.
Окей. Ему уже сделали операцию на колени, здесь в Греции, бесплатно.
Medical.
That's good. And how many times per day they give you food? How many times they give you food per day? 1 time per day?
One time.
1 time.
8
p.m.
1 week. Next time 1 week, 1 time 20 food.
20 o'clock. 20 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay.
20 o'clock.
1 time per day. And where are you sleeping?
Me sleeping this Sindos.
Sindos, in a house.
Oh no, this house. Sindos 21 bus.
So they give you accommodation? They give you camp? What is it? Are you living in a flat?
No flat.
Where are you living? In the park?
Yeah, park. Yes.
In the park?
Yes.
So you living in the park?
Yes.
In a tent?
Yes.
In a camping? No? Just in the park?
Yes.
On the grass?
Yes, park.
Under the trees?
Yes.
Окей. Он живет в парке, под деревьями, просто на траве. Is the government give you money?
No.
Support?
No,
No support.
yes.
Ah.
No support.
No support. Just food and medical treatment.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
And what are you doing here 1 year and the 4 months? What are you doing? Are you doing anything, or you just sitting and doing nothing? Are you working?
No, working, no.
No, you're just sitting here. Yeah?
Yeah.
Sitting here with the people. Okay, how old are you?
Ah,
50? 50? 50? How old are you?
me?
Yes.
Ah, okay, no. 60,
60?
60, 0.
60?
Yes.
Вау. То есть ему 60 лет?
60.
У него немножко плохой английский, потому что он из франкоязычной страны. And you have a problems with the knees, yes?
Yes.
Ah, okay. We're gonna finish because it's started rain. Let's move here under the roof. Move here. Follow me. Друзья, я надеюсь, всем все понятно. Если нет, то я попробую перевести потом как-то или в комментариях, или каким-то другим образом. Очень интересный человек. How many people having food here every evening? How many people?
How many people?
How many people?
10.
10 people got food. Okay. And how many people living here?
Yes.
No, how many people living in the park together with you?
No, this
In the park, how many people living there together with you?
me.
Yes.
This one.
Just for you one.
One.
Okay. Is it a lot of African people living here?
No.
No, not much. Not much. But why did you come to exactly to the Greece? Because it's European Union, yes? Europe. How much did you pay for the boat? The boat. How much you pay? Money.
It's boat.
Boat.
20. This
200
Huh?
euro.
200.
200 euro
Yes.
for the boat.
Yes.
Okay. And you do it in illegal way, yes? In secret way. Окей. Короче, 200 евро он отдал за нелегальное пересечение границы по воде из Турции в Грецию. Ну и какие-то деньги за перелет в Турцию из Африки. Окей. Maybe you have some wishes, some desires. What do you want to say to all people from all the world? Maybe you want to wish them any last words. What do you want to say?
English problem.
No problem.
English problem.
It's okay. I can understand you. Are you happy to be here? You like Greece?
Yes.
You like Greece?
Yes.
Here is better than in Congo? Better. Here is okay. Ça va bien?
Ah, ça va bien. Oh, ça va. Ah, ok.
Ça va bien.
Oh, ça va bien, ça va bien.
Ça va bien.
Good.
Good.
Yes, good.
Okay.
Social good.
Good social. На этой позитивной ноте будем заканчивать, друзья, потому что социальная служба хорошо. Вот мы сейчас это выяснили. Друзья, не забудьте подписаться на этот канал, поставить лайк, откомментировать хорошими словами, нажать на колокольчик, сделать его черного цвета и поделиться этим роликом с друзьями. Guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel, give me like, write me nice comments, share this video with your friends, and make the bell in black color. And write me nice comments. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.